Hey everyone, so here's a toy favorite for your kids. A long time ago, like at fairs or amusement parks, they used to have this Whack-A-Frog game, and everyone loved it. And they would pop up, and you'd hit their heads, and they would pop back down. Well, now they've made it for kids. All right, this is the YEEBAY interactive Whack-A-Frog game, learning active early development toy. Fun gift for ages 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. It's phenomenal. It comes with 2 hammers, okay, and this game. So what you do is you turn it on, and it lights up like this.
Welcome to the Frog
And
Game.
it's so much fun. And it counts down,
Ready, go!
and then they light up, and you just hit them. Phenomenal game for kids. They'll love this, all right? So much fun. My grandson and I played, and it was a ball. And again, it's for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 years old. It's phenomenal, and it has batteries in the back, so you can change it. And it's something that'll keep them busy all day while you're doing what you need to do. All right.